Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu on Virtualbox. So the first thing you need to do is you'll need to download Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is available to download from ubuntu.com/download/desktop, and I'll leave this link below in the description so you can click on it. So once you're here you just need to click download, and you'll be prompted if you want to give a donation to Ubuntu. So I'm just going to click not now, take me to my download, and it should start downloading for us now. Okay, so I'm just going to save this, and while it's downloading I'll just pause this video. Okay, so my download's completed, so I'm just going to open Virtualbox now. So this is Virtualbox, and the first thing I'm going to click is I'm going to click new, and I'm going to type in that we're using Ubuntu. Okay, and you can see it picks up what we're using, so I'm going to click next. I'm going to up this to 2 gigs by typing in 2048. So I'll click next. I'm going to create a virtual hard disk. I'm going to click create. VDI, perfect. Next. Dynamically allocated, perfect. I'm going to call it Ubuntu. I'm going to call it my Ubuntu. So we have it, and I'm going to up this to 25 gigs, and I'll click create. Okay, so now that we have our machine here, we just need to mount in our Ubuntu ISO file that we downloaded. So I'm going to click settings. I'm going to come down to storage. I'm going to click empty here. I want to click this little disk option here, and we're going to choose a virtual optical disk file. So in my downloads folder I have Ubuntu here, so I'll click open, I'll click OK, and now we're going to power on our virtual machine. Okay, we can see Ubuntu is booted up for us here, so I'm going to click install Ubuntu. And I'm going to select yes, I want to download the updates while we're installing. And I'm also going to select install the third-party software. Sometimes some handy stuff does be in this, so it will save you some time after. So I'm going to click continue. Okay, and I'm going to click to erase the disk and install Ubuntu. I'm not going to bother encrypting or using LVM, so I'm just going to click install now. Okay, so you see we're being prompted here, and this is all okay, so I'm going to click continue. Okay, you can see we're being prompted to enter your location. I'm in Dublin, so I'm going to click Dublin. If you're elsewhere, just click where you are. I'll click continue here. Okay, you'll now be prompted for your keyboard layout. I'm going to say Irish, and Irish, that's perfect for me, and I'll click continue. Okay, so you now just have to enter your name. So I'm going to type in Darren. I'll leave the machine name as Darren VirtualBox, that's perfect. And I'm going to just put in a weak password here for the moment. Okay, and I'll just re-enter that here. And I want to say yeah, require a password to log in, and I'll click continue here. Okay, and we can see Ubuntu is beginning now to go through its install process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video here and let Ubuntu install, and I'll be back here in a few minutes. Thanks. Okay, so it looks like my installation is finished here and I'm being prompted to restart. So I'm just going to click restart now and let the system reboot. I'll pause the video here again and I'll resume when the system is booted back up. Okay, so we're just being prompted here to remove the installation medium, which is the install disk. So I'm just going to click back into my Ubuntu image here. I'm going to click settings. I'm going to come down to my storage. And I'm just going to make sure that there's nothing in here, and there isn't, so I'm going to click OK. I'm going to go back here, and I'm just going to click enter. Okay, I'll pause the video here again while this boots up. Okay, so this looks good. You can see my Ubuntu machine is running. I'm being prompted for my password, so I'll just pop in the password that I set, and hopefully now we should just get logged into Ubuntu. Okay, perfect. And you can see that's it. We've now installed Ubuntu on VirtualBox. If you run into any issues, be sure to comment below, and if I can help, I certainly will. And for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.